unintentional financial mistakes can significantly harm personal financial health. This video will cover 7 common personal finance mistakes. Actionable steps to avoid these mistakes will be provided. Avoiding these mistakes helps build a more secure financial future. A critical financial mistake is failing to create and adhere to a budget. Without a budget, awareness of spending habits is lacking, leading to overspending. Tracking income and expenses, allocating funds, and regular reviews are essential for effective budgeting. Ignoring high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can lead to a debt spiral. Accumulating interest makes it increasingly difficult to pay off the principal amount owed. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first to avoid the debt spiral. Debt consolidation options can help manage and simplify debt repayment. Avoiding accumulating new debt is crucial to breaking free from the debt cycle. Delaying saving for retirement is a common financial mistake, particularly among young adults. Starting early allows investments more time to grow through the power of compounding. To avoid this mistake, begin saving early, even with small contributions, and gradually increase them over time. Consistent, incremental increases in savings contributions significantly impact long-term retirement funds. The absence of an emergency fund may compel reliance on credit cards or loans for unforeseen expenses. Unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs, can be financially devastating without an emergency fund. Establishing an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses can mitigate financial risk. An emergency fund should be readily accessible to ensure prompt availability when needed. Neglecting insurance, such as health, auto, or home, can expose individuals to significant financial risk. Adequate insurance coverage protects assets and financial well-being in the event of accidents, illnesses, or natural disasters. Assessing personal risks is crucial to determining the appropriate level and type of insurance coverage needed. Frequent impulse purchases can disrupt budgeting and hinder the achievement of financial objectives. Unplanned purchases often result in buyer's remorse and financial waste. Implementing a waiting period before non-essential purchases can help prevent impulse buying. Questioning the necessity of an item before buying can reduce unnecessary spending. Keeping savings solely in a savings account can lead to missed growth opportunities. Inflation can erode the value of savings over time, diminishing purchasing power. Educating oneself about investment options is crucial for financial growth. Diversifying an investment portfolio can mitigate risk and enhance returns. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized investment guidance,